All right, time for that quiz. So basically here, we've taken all the previous labs you've done, lab part 1, 2, and 3. The stuff you learned, we're going to apply it here to this quiz. All right, so here we have same kind of setup. We give you in the bottom of the screen the code you're going to write. Here's the tasks we got to code for. And I've given you some code words to use up in here. All right, I'm not going to show you anything on the robot coding software, how to code all this, because the previous 3 labs, I'm hoping, made enough sense. We can skip this part of it. Okay, let's read over this here and see what happens. So it says we're going to code. Okay, yeah, we're going to code this in a way that kind of simulates like how your parents' car's transmission runs from a stop sign to say 30 miles per hour. You push the accelerator pedal down, the car shifts into first gear, second gear, to third gear, so on and so forth. Maybe your parents' car runs off vacuum pressure. When enough vacuum pressure is built up on a sensor, it'll trigger a switch. Maybe it's done by a speed you're hitting, maybe an RPM you're hitting, but nonetheless, we're going to build ours with a switch. Okay, so it says here we're going to have to code and add necessary input devices to make the program run. So we got to add stuff up here. We have one motor, we have one sensor ready to go, but we got to add one more. Looks like here. It says the motor will start and run at a speed of 22 when limit switch A is pressed and held in. So maybe this will be called limit switch A. So reword this maybe, I don't know. So what code is it going to have the motor starts and runs when the switch is pressed in? The key is the when. This happens first, this happens second apparently. It says it'll then run at a speed of 57 when the switch A is let go. So what code words are letting go? So far you have 2 hands are going to be used. A switch in hand A and a switch in hand B. Or switch A in left hand, switch B right hand. However you want to do that, up to you guys. Okay? So code line 7 in this case will be these 2 commands. Here could be line 7. Here could be line 8. When it's let go, maybe line 9 and line 10. Now we have switch B. So it says when B is pressed and held in, it switches. B is let go, it switches. And then you click A and you click B. Sorry, when you hold in A and B, it stops. So here we go. The parent's car at a stop sign right now. Okay? It's their turn to go. They push the pedal. When your parent press and hold accelerator in, the car speeds up. At a certain point, the car is going to shift into second gear. We're letting go of the button to shift. Your parents keep the gas pedal pressed. That's fine. And then it'll shift again. We press another button. It'll shift again. We let go of a button. And to stop the car, we hold in A, hold in B. So read the code. Add to this. Write the code based on these code words. Alright, if you're confused, maybe look at part 1 again, look at part 2 again, look at part 3 again, okay? Then, if you're still confused, send me a question. Alright, hey, good luck.